So now that I got the decals put on the body and I put a coat of 2K clear on it, you guys probably think, oh, you're done now. Time to move on. No, not even close. Like I said, I painted the body, put the decals on, but the decals are actually sitting higher. They're sitting on top of the paint. And so I put a coat of 2K clear on it. And so now the 2K clear is sitting on top of the decal and it's sitting on top of the paint. And it's actually higher. And I know you'd say, well, yeah, big deal, big deal. But when you polish it out, you can still see the step in the decal. And that's not the way I really want it to be. I want it to be a smooth overall surface, and that doesn't mean hose a whole bunch of clear on it and lose all your panel lines. What I needed to do was to cut it down, the first coat of 2K clear. I sanded it down with 4,000 grit. And now I will fix all the little mistakes. What, you made mistakes? Of course I made mistakes. Let me show you. This is the Miku car. You can actually see where the line is for the decal and the painted body. The painted body is flat, but it's the step there between the decal and the paint. So we need to eliminate that. Same with even the sponsor decal. You can see that shiny around the edge. The things that I need to fix is I applied these carbon fiber decals, but the white shows behind. So I'm going to mask and paint all of this in black and then reapply carbon fiber decals both sides. A few little spots like here where the decal chipped on the edge, I can touch that up with paint. Same thing over here. In this car, it's much better. You can still see the decal steps. So that's all gonna go away. The decal did not cover this part here, so I'm gonna paint that black. But other than that, this one looks pretty good. Next step is to put another coat of 2K clear over it, and then I can hit it with 4,000 grit and gauge whether the surface is level enough to go ahead and polish it. In the next episode, we'll paint all of these parts, do final assembly, and wrap this project up. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.